Hi again, this is Irfan with a slightly different combination. Today I came across Nikon F2 camera body with two different lenses. It actually came with Nikon 50mm f1.4, which is a AF lens. Could be easily used on older Nikon film cameras. It's better for Nikon AF bodies. It could even be used on Nikon digital SLR camera bodies with AF built-in motor like D300, D600, D700, D800. It came with Nikon F2 and the Sigma 35mm lens, very clean optically. These are both AF lenses. I don't know what they were doing with the Nikon F2 body, but what is more important is the camera body working perfectly and smoothly. Shutter is working well on all speeds. Very clean example of Nikon F2. It's light cosmetic wear, nothing bad. A little bit of edge wear which is expected, but nothing serious. I tried both lenses on my Nikon D850 and D610 bodies. Both work very well. AF Nikon is a wonderful lens, makes wonderful portraits, slightly noisy in terms of autofocus. It's not that fast because of the fact that it's not an AFS lens. Otherwise works perfectly, no issues at all. Optics are super clean, light test specs, and this particular lens is, I believe, DX. It's a half frame lens, but works very well. I tried it on my Nikon D90 and works perfectly and smoothly. Very clean optically with some cosmetic wear on the barrel, nothing bad. But Nikon F2 is in a very impressive condition. I love Nikon film cameras. This is what I've been shooting with for years. I didn't try self-timer earlier, but I think it works fine. Well, let's see what happens. Oh, it works good. In case you have any questions, comments, feel free to write to me. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.